Was good. All right, 1 week break. Today we're back at it. Okay, it's 9:30 already, so I'm a little late. Oh yeah, I want to start doing live trading today. Wow, look at this! Wow. Let's go in now. 15 minutes. See the okay. So let me just explain real quick, huh? So okay, I see this sweep here. So supposed to sweep in the 1 hour. Okay, come out. Yep, it crossed. Invalid. Alright, let's calm down. So what if you miss a trade? Who cares? Okay, I'm on my tablet, so it's gonna take a while to clear everything. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. 30 minutes. Okay, we're in gold now. Gold now. We got right now 9:30. We have, hope you can hear me. I don't know, I'm whispering. Okay, we have 9:30. We have our 6:30. Sorry, 6 o'clock, but you know. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we go to the 1 hour. Alright, 1 hour right before this was right before this candle was a sell. Okay, correct. Look at this, close below. Didn't close past a high. 1 hour. In the 4 hour, ooh, 4 hours interesting. See this? Okay, this shows that closed above. Nope. Yeah, still in the sell. My bad. Cause green and red candle, so still above the sell. No. Yep, still sell. Okay. So we'll go to 15 minutes, look for sweep of highs. Do you see a sweep of highs? Okay, I can do. Okay. That's a sweep of the high, so push, last push up. Okay, however, I don't see any. I see a strong push down, but I don't see. Oh, okay. Sweep of this high as well. Yep. Look at this. Can you see that? Let me mark it out for you guys. Not this high, but this sweep of that high. But even in the 15 minute, I don't see any candles that, you know, whole candle outside. This candle went out, closed outside, but you know, maybe in 5 minutes, you could say that. Yeah, okay, like if you went through 5 minutes, yeah, maybe. Because why? Why would I consider that? Why would I go down to the 5 minutes and check? Because the candle closed outside of the order block. So I'll go to the 5 minute, but ideally I do want a whole candle like this outside, which opened outside, closed outside the order block, ideally lah. But normally I don't look to the 5 minute. I would most likely just stay in the 15 minute because I want a higher time frame confirmation rather than going to 1 minute and all that. If I go to the 1 minute and do that, then I need more filters. Okay, I need a fair value gap, I need a break of structure to the upside or downside, I need this, I need that. So basically I could have, but let's see. So yeah, I would have placed my shot here. Okay. Oh, high risk, not so much high reward. Yeah, look at this. Because how you wouldn't have expected it to jump until here. No, you wouldn't have. 100% you wouldn't have. I would have maybe I would have done it. Yeah, still very unlikely for me to have done that, because this was when? This was, okay, yesterday morning. Sorry. Maybe. But so what? No losses. Okay. We'll come back here and talk about it, but let's go to GBP since we're in live. I should have started a bit more earlier. Should have, would have, could have. Okay. Right. Let's mark out 9:30. Okay. 15. What is it? 5:30. Market open. Think so. Let's just go 6. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see before this candle right here, we can see it's bearish. Correct? Can you see a bearish trend? Yup. Okay, let's go 4 hour. However, 4 hours in a bullish trend. Which is tricky. 4 hour in a bullish trend. Let's go and see the daily. Daily is also in a bearish, so daily is in a bearish, huh? Daily is in bearish, so I would likely look for a sweep of the highs. Okay. So what did I see in 30 minutes? Nope. Sweep of the highs, I don't have. Sweep of the lows though. Yeah, already invalidated. The fuck was that? Yeah, I would have gone for sweep of the highs. Well, I don't see any sweep of the highs. This sweep of the low looked convincing, because after the sweep it rallied up a bit. Did see a bit of a rejection. I'm starting to take note of how strong the reversal is and after the sweep. Okay, starting to take that more into account. Not just any sweep, has to be a good sweep. So this here would be a good sweep, but went until here, it dropped all the way here, and it's very choppy. I don't see any. Wow. Yes, we do see. Let's go in the 15-minute. Okay. So, kind of see this where we can go, right? Let's look at this. Oh my days, what the fuck is going on? Oh. Some auto shit. strong rejection, strong reversal. So if I put it here, let's see the previous day. Previous day low, so Monday we go to Monday 5 o'clock. Wow. So since the previous day low is here, I don't have a real. I think we can reach around here though. That's a good RR. What do you think? So I can take this trade, yeah. Seems good enough. Sweep. Strong reversal. Now it's gonna retrace. If it retraces into the order block, equilibrium. We have a almost 1 to 3 ratio. Yeah, mate. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, I think I might take this trade. So let's put an alert here. Okay, while we go and talk about gold. Oh, look at gold, but do you see any high time frames? Any sweeps of the high? Yeah, that. Wouldn't have been not. It's not so valid though. I wouldn't say it's valid. Not really. Well, look at it. It's so hard to judge after. This is why I don't like to do this during. This is why they say like don't. I don't like to, how to say, look back at charts and think like, oh, what would I have done? Okay, look back and like this and this, because it's so hard to get into that feeling of like preparing for a trade. You know, like what you got TJ used to say, like to back test, you just open the charts and see and do. Yeah, you can, but like it's so much more easier to look for the answer when you have the answer that right there. You know, whereas trading is like I'll never know what's the next move, so I'm trying to increase my probability. But if I know the answer is buy, I'm going to only see reasons for buys. You know, I'll just see like some bullshit. Oh, okay, yeah, because this candle is longer than this, and because of this timing it's a 9:44. Doesn't make sense to me. Okay, you don't have that same motion. That back testing helps obviously because you can see through and you can just, that kind of back testing is good for when I have a strategy and I want to see, okay, how many times does it work? You know, I'm just seeing like, okay, this happened, okay, sweep happened, retrace this, okay, out of 10 times let me find and see how many went my way. Like that. It's not about trying to see if I could have made a trade, but it's just to see whether the trade ended up aligning with my strategy. Okay, so for goal I don't want to say anything. Okay, right now I don't want to say anything because yeah, I already know the outcome, so I'm going to be looking for reasons to tell you that it's going to be a sell. You know, yeah, I'm not going to do that. Are you sweeping anywhere? Wow, are you trying to sweep this? Ooh, that is so good quote. It says death by 1,000 sweeps. as in like liquidity sweeps, because I kept experiencing that. Like, okay, look at this, remember the day, right? I revenge traded. Yeah, that's why I took the break, right? Well, it was because something like this, like okay, let's say, like, I'm not sure, but it was something like this. Okay, let's say sweep was here. Okay, this candle you already swept. Okay, I went for buy, but I feel like, since I don't want to show this now happening candle, but okay, let's show this. So let's say I already had my position and I placed my trade at this orange line. Okay, like my order block, my stop loss was here lah, this line. Okay, so price swept, and then I was like, god damn it, like, how did I miss something, or what the fuck is wrong with the market? So let me, it just wanted to sweep again, like, oh, what the fuck. That's when, like, I got rage baited by the market, because I was already was in a losing week, like my mental was getting disturbed. TPs were hit when I wasn't in the trade, then TPs were hit, but when I want to go for TP2, it just hit my stop loss. Ooh, this rough week. So anyways, when here hit my stop loss and it swept, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, price is gonna go up, right? I mean, like, it just swept, like, okay, fuck it, let's go. Then hits my stop loss and I realized it's a sweep again. Then I was like, what the fuck is going on? How many times does it want to sweep? Like, what is happening? You know what I mean? I still don't understand. There's probably a strategy for this, and there's a good reasoning for this, I guess, but like, I don't know. So that's when I told myself, like, okay, I just needed a break. Yeah, I'm repeating like why I took a break, but yeah. And yesterday, so I was like thinking, okay, I have to go back, open charts and this and that. And I was like, you know what, I don't have to. I could use another day of break, just relaxing, because I'm not losing money taking a break. I think I've gotten to that level, at least where I can take a break and be fine with it, because I know that I'll come back the next day. There's no what if I don't, what if this messes up with my discipline. No, it's just I need to take a break. Alright, I hope one day you all get there, we all get there, and I go further, we all go further, where these breaks are just a real necessity, not even a shred of do I want it, I want the break. No, I feel this is how breaks should be. I don't want it, don't necessarily want it, I don't mind it, but I actually need it. I need it to reset my whole mind. So I'm talking so calm. I'm just a chill guy. So anyways, let's go back to GBP. Let's just see. Haha. Should we prepare for a trade? I think so. Unfortunately, I have to use it on my phone, and it's a long video, so I'm not going to hold you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll do a bit earlier, and then like we can, I'm just posing for the, what do you call it, whatever the fuck you call it lah. Basically, like, before I press the video, you can see my face, how it looks like. I'm just posing for it. Alright, solid pose. So anyways, tomorrow we'll start at, I think I'll start around 8:39ish. Give it a bit of time where we can plan out what we want to do, and I'll talk about what do you call it after we have our plan. I'll talk about yesterday's trade, or maybe that first. Talk about yesterday's trade first and this planning. Okay, so yeah, that's it about me. Looks like I'm going to take this trade, see your risk, and yeah, trading's all about risk. That's it. Okay, that's what I am going to keep in mind. Yeah, I know I used to do. I don't know why I forgot about this. Oh man, I used to do this for a while, which is I used to always put I always have 4 lines, which is my New York, London, Asia, and also the day before's London session. So I follow to track my TP using the previous day. So if there's no lows lower than today's low, then go to the day before. If you don't have, then I think it's not worth the trade lah. Cause you can't be looking at fucking 5 years ago and saying, it could go there. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Anyways, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, I don't know what the fuck was that. Peace.